Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I have the Expack for France for January of 2019. I'm going to tell you already, I already canceled this subscription. I saw my mom and my sister's unboxings for their Expacks, and I just thought for $35 a month, not necessarily something I'm going to want to keep getting. I did have a coupon code for this, so I had already purchased this one, but I have already canceled my subscription. So you won't be seeing this one again unless I come across another coupon code and happen to buy another one. But with that said, let's get started. Now, if you like unboxings and you want to see more of what we have coming, I will tell you I have one that I am really super excited about coming. Please subscribe and like our channel and like this video so that you see what's coming up in the future. Okay, well, this is unusual, but I got a whole bag of pasta. Looks like just a standard egg pasta from France, so.
Little nest.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are like swirled around a little nest. Interesting. Okay, says it cooks in 6 minutes. That's cool. Le chocolat de français. 72% dark chocolate. Ooh, I love dark chocolate. Like, really love dark chocolate. So, this one's all mine. I'm not sure what this is. And they don't include a card, so if anybody, I think it might be hot chocolate.
I see chocolate on there.
Something chocolate, 32% chocolate.
Because these are made for people who are from those countries, basically.
Right. So, if you were French, you would know what this is and probably be really excited.
Open it up and see what's in there.
Okay. Yeah, that doesn't help us at all.
No.
But we tried. A packet of crackers. New recipe with sunflower oil. At least this one has some English on it, so I know what this is. It's just a pack of crackers. But still, sounds good. I'm gonna say this might be French mashed potatoes. It's something with potatoes. So that's pretty cool. It's made by Nestle, ironically.
Nestle makes in a lot of different countries, but it.
Yeah, because that's the brand that I got from my seasoning in my Expack. It's really good.
And then, okay, this one has peppers. Hot sauce. Salsa picante. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure what to make of this. It looks like it's just like hot pepper paste. And that is interesting. So, overall, I mean, if you're from France, I'm sure this is a great box because you know what these are. I was just looking to try out something different, some different foods from different countries. So, I mean, this is going to be interesting to see how they turn out. Obviously, pasta is always a good thing. Mashed potatoes, always a good thing. I love my carbs. Sorry, not keto. Whatever this is, I will let you know when I figure it out because I don't know what that is. Crackers, not a bad thing. Dark chocolate, love dark chocolate. And my weird hot pepper stuff. So there you go. There is the France box for 2019. Thanks for watching.